Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the currency on AvaTrade. So first of all, what you need to know is you can change the currency after you created your account. So the only way what you need to do, or what you can do, is creating a new account with a other currency. So if you go here to add an account, demo account, or do a real account, select here the trading platform, so do Ava Web Trader, and then you can change here the base currency, or not changing, creating a new account with a other currency. So let's do euros right now, then we do some bit, and then right now you will find your account with the euro currency now on your account. So if you go here to not trade, but if you go to accounts, so my accounts, you will find here now an account with euro as currency. So this is the way how you can change currency on AvaTrade. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.